Have you ever felt overwhelmed, anxious, or just disconnected from the present? You're not alone, but there's a simple technique to bring you back to now. It's called the Mindfulness 5-4-3-2-1 method. Today, I'm not just going to tell you about it, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's start with what this technique is all about. The 5-4-3-2-1 method is a grounding exercise that helps reduce stress and anxiety by engaging all your senses to bring your attention to the present. It's incredibly simple and surprisingly effective. Here's how it works. First, find a comfortable seat or stand in a place where you can be calm for a few moments. Now take a deep breath in and out. Let's do this together. 5. Look around for 5 things you can see. I see a plant, a book, a lamp, a cup, and my phone. Name the 5 things you see in your environment. 4. Notice 4 things you can touch. I can feel the texture of my jeans, the smooth surface of my desk, the softness of a cushion, and the coolness of a glass. What are 4 things you can feel? 3. Listen for 3 things you can hear. I hear the sound of traffic outside, the hum of my computer, and my own breathing. Close your eyes if it helps, and identify 3 sounds in your surroundings. 2. Identify 2 things you can smell. I can smell the coffee in my cup and a hint of fresh air from the window. Sometimes you might need to move to find these smells, or remember 2 of your favorite scents. 1. Think of 1 thing you can taste. Right now, I can still taste the mint from my toothpaste. What's a taste that's lingering for you? And that's it! You've just completed a mindfulness exercise. This technique brings your focus to your current experience, interrupting worry, and grounding you in what's real and tangible. Remember, mindfulness isn't about clearing your mind. It's about focusing on the now. The 5-4-3-2-1 method is a tool you can use anywhere, anytime you need to find your center. If you found this helpful, share, and subscribe for more mindfulness tips. And don't forget to comment on how this exercise worked for you. Until next time, stay present and grounded.